Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this green screen eyes and mouth filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. For this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so this filter is a trending one, so you will find in trending section. Remember this image on the third row, this is the filter. Tap on it and there you go. And suppose you are not finding the filter like this, then what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for green screen eyes and mouth. Okay, on the first row you will see this effect. Tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there. From here also you can use this effect likewise. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this also, then what you can do, let me go back first. Then what you can do, you can go to this website. I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, let's open it with TikTok. Again you will be redirected to the effect page. Now at the bottom of the screen, hit the record button and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this green screen eyes and mouth filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.